Good morning, children, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing some matching of our animals. All right, let's get started. Okay, so if you look here, we have two pictures. We have a picture on this side of some animals, and we have a picture on this side of some animals. Can you find the animal on this side, So let's check. Let's start with the first one. So the first animal is an elephant. Here's our elephant over here. Okay, there's our elephant. Now let's look for an elephant on this side. Can you see something that looks the same? Where's the elephant? That's right, it's over here. Well done. Okay, let's do the next one. What is that animal? Yes, it's a zebra. Let's circle our zebra. Okay, let's look for a zebra on this side. Can you see the zebra? Yes, it's over there. Good job, everyone. Okay, let's look at our next animal. Whoa, a tiger. Okay, can we find a tiger on this side? Where's the tiger? Do you see the tiger? There's the tiger. Okay, now remember, we're only looking for wild animals. So, is a giraffe a wild animal? Yes, it is. Let's circle our giraffe and look for a giraffe on this side. Can you see a giraffe? There's the giraffe. Well done. Now, the next animal is a cow. Is a cow a wild animal? No, a cow is not a wild animal, so we're not going to look for our cow. Okay, let's look over here. Here's a lion. Let's circle our lion and look for a lion on this side. Do you see a lion on this side? I see a lion. Oh, there's the lion. Okay. Let's look for another animal. What about this one? Remember, this one is part of our big five. The rhinoceros or the rhino. And can you see a rhino on this side? Ooh, I see the rhino. It's hiding above the zebra. Yes, there we go. There's our rhino. Good job. All right, what other wild animal should we look for? Let's look for the pig. No, Teacher Freya made a silly mistake. A pig is not a wild animal. A pig is a farm animal. So we are not going to look for our piggy. Okay, let's do the hippopotamus. There's our hippopotamus. Can you find your hippopotamus on this side? I think it's over here. Is it this one? Oh no, that's not a hippopotamus. Silly me, that's a bear. Where is it, children? Can you help me? Oh, there it is. Good job. Okay, let's do one more. Let's choose the leopard with his beautiful spots. And if you look on this side, can you see a leopard? There's the leopard. Well done. Okay, children. So you can also do this at home where you are matching and looking for your wild animals. Okay. I hope you had fun today, and I will see you in another video soon. Bye, everyone.